There are people you meet in life who demand to be felt before they understood. People whose presence speaks before they do, whose energy fills the room before their words take shape. Today I speak of such a man, a force, an artist, a poet, and an amazing creator. Not a man who simply exists, but one who leaves his mark boldly, furiously. Today I speak of a man whose presence cannot be ignored, a man whose artistry moves souls, whose passion fuels everything he touches, and whose grumpiness, well, that's just the mask he wears to show the heart overflowing with love. Phungalenja is more than just a performer. He is a storyteller, a poet, a force of raw emotion channeled through izibongo recitations that strike deeper than any melody ever could. While others may sing, he speaks, his words carving their way into hearts, leaving echoes long after the world's sound fades. His albums Lokhu and Iwewe stand as testaments for his dedication to the craft, while his piano singles featuring his lover and creative partner Makana Visu show this harmony he finds in music, in work, and in its love itself. Beyond the lights and the applause, Phungalenja is a man driven by devotion to his children, whose laughter fuels his soul, to his partner who stands behind him not just in life but in art, to the gym where he builds his strength, shaping his body as meticulously as he shaped his words and notes, and to the guitar where his fingers dance with the same passion that lives within him. Yes, he is stubborn, or we don't know it, but it's that stubbornness lies a fire, an unshakable drive that's challenged everyone around him to be better, to think deeper, to create greater. His intensity is not just a trait, it is his essence. And so today, we just don't recognize a man, we celebrate the force that is Phungalenja, a poet, a creator, a father, a lover, a dreamer, and yes, our lovable Grump, exactly as he was meant to be. Some men dream of legacy, others build it with their own hands, their voices, and their own passions. Phungalenja is not just a man who merely follows the rhythm of life. He bends it, molds it, plays it like the strings of his guitar, carves into the verses that shake the soul. He is a father, a partner, a creator. He is stubborn, unyielding, the utterly brilliant. A man who hides his life behind gruffness but gives in a ways world cannot capture. And so today, we do not just speak his name, we recite it, we feel it, we honor it, because men like Phungalenja do not fade, they echo. Thank you.